Welcome back to my channel. Say hello. Hi, Muna. Hi. So serious. Hi, Muna. Hi. Oh, thank you. Hi. Okay. Okay, she's actually sleepy, but yeah, and also tired because we had a good shopping now. We were really excited. I'm very, very happy that I found this place. And thanks to my friend Geeta for letting me know this place. It was very nice shopping at this place because they were all branded clothes, shoes, bags, everything branded for very, very, very cheap price. Definitely, y'all will be excited to see all the things there. So I'm gonna show y'all through the shop what all were there and what were the prices there. So do watch this video till the end to really get benefited. So this is that shop, Sri Venkateshwara Garments it is called. So it is almost 3 to 4 floors, I'm not very sure. And it is on the Kamanali main road itself, which is right opposite to St. Charles School. So there were all types of clothes from Indian to Western wear, from all kind of size, double XL, triple XL, and large, small, extra small, and the prices were so cheap. Like this top is just $199. There were many branded clothes too. Like this one was $349. So this is the normal range. Like there are brands like People. This is $499. The brand price was $499, but the this shop price was $149. Like this top is actually a Ajio brand, which is 1,799 rupees, the actual brand price, but here it was $299. The quality of the clothes were really, really nice. It was a very big showroom, and like this one was a swimsuit from Kappa company. Very good company it is. Actual price is 1,699, but here it was $399 only. So there are variety. These are all kids section. One whole floor was for kids clothes and footwear. The materials are so good, so soft, really nice. So the tag, I'm trying to get the tag here. So the price of this was just 89 rupees. Very nice material it is, and very good for kids. This one was 99 rupees. So this one is 89 rupees. So there are variety of clothes for boys and girls. Like they have segregated with age groups. Like this t-shirt was 99 again for boys. The material you all can make out, it is really soft cotton t-shirt material, really nice. And there are variety of boys and girls clothes for different ages. Like this t-shirt is the price tag says 99 rupees, and this t-shirt is again 99 rupees. The quality is no compromise at all, and there were variety of shoes, especially for girls. I mean, of course they were for boys, but because I have a daughter, I was attracted to girls. Like that shoes was $599. For this place it was a pricey one, but the quality is so good. A wide range. Even this was segregated according to the age and size, so which is really nice, easy to find things. It was like these boots, yes, definitely have to mention, very nice quality boots were available, all with the same range, $599 range itself. And there were also ladies shorts, leggings, which was not very expensive, like 299. This leggings was 149. So different material with different ranges. So there were also mats and some cushions available. There were wide range of towels which was available, which costed from 300 to 400. Like this one was 89 rupees, which was a little small one, like a hand towel. There were also placemats for the dining table. I couldn't find the price of that. There were cushion covers, very nice designs. Like this was only 79 rupees, which is really nice cushion covers. The whole set also you get, single pieces also is available there. Mostly these stuffs were like dumped there, so we had to like figure it out what it is, and it was not displayed properly, but still the prices were really cheap. There were these kind of doormats you could call, or also in actual price is 1149, but here the price was 449, which is like only 1/4 or not even less than half the price. And there were few handbags, shoulder bags also available, some kit bags, travel bags, like, and these are bed sheets which were available there. This was costing 1,299, I suppose. 3,299 is the actual price, but here it was 1,299. Yeah, but bed sheets, bedspreads did not have a wide range of selection here. There were very few, but they were handlooms. There were bags like these which costed 399. And these, there were some photo frames there which was like different designs. I think there were only two designs. One was of unicorn and one was with the different varieties of kitchen, I mean the vegetables. And yeah, this was a cat there. So not many options, but its actual price is 749, but I got it for 99 rupees, so which is quite. So you all will there were also innerwears for ladies, wanted to mention that too, and a wide range of accessories. These were really nice for people, like for the imported stuffs, like the body chain, the waist chain. There were many things. These sponges, like for example, these sponge had just 29 rupees, the makeup sponge. And there were wide range of makeup brushes, and these like the neck chains. Most of it was Forever 21 brand, and this was just 49 rupees. So like this makeup brush was just 99 rupees. This necklace or neck chain, which is a new fashion now. There were many of these with the black band, so which was really cheap. I actually picked one. It is like a range of 69 rupees. The one which I had picked was 69. So there were many designs. Like these earrings, set of earrings were just 99 rupees, and many things were there. There were also mobile covers and stuffs. Like this set of earrings was 79 rupees, and there were some shawls and so many stuffs actually.
this was a keyboard cover. It was just 99 rupees. There were other colors too. It was more like a keyboard protector for your laptops, like the nail polish for the nail art, and yeah, phone case. And yeah, here I am billing my stuffs. So to know what all I have purchased from this shop, do watch my upcoming video.
So thank you so much for watching. Do watch all my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Baby, thumbs up. Bye.